that gets us going. We've set the vertical speed to
vertical track.
ask it for 1,000 feet a minute. That he has just told us that the vertical speed is coming active. We've not armed it yet. We're down to 7, so we can do that either with VNAV direct or with VS. Captain has decided to use VS, which is fine. We need 900 feet a minute, so that's what we've set. We did that manually instead of using the VNAV direct, which is okay. It's only 1,000 feet. But you see, we have numerous ways to descend. Don't recommend indicated airspeed for the descent.
November 25 Papa Foxtrot, Johnstown, altimeter 3021, and what kind of approach are you looking for Cumberland?
3021, we'd like the RNAV 23 approach, and we can take it direct to Wanvo.
Yeah, I'm not sure we can.
Okay, and you want to go direct where, sir?
Direct to Wanvo.
He can't give you that. He's got to give you CDOS and a procedure turn from here.
25 Papa Foxtrot, Roger, proceed direct Sidus.
Direct to Sidus, 25 Papa Foxtrot.
CDOS, Sidus,
Sidus.
potato, potato.
Okay.
November 3917 Mike, 3000.
Now here's how you can do that right quick. Is from the flight plan.
3917 Mike, Johnstown, departure radar contact, Johnstown, altimeter 3023 now.
You can choose, or from the page, procedure, activate approach. That'll give you direct Sidus,
561,
since we loaded Sidus.
On the RNAV for 280. 6 at 561, you expect that leaving 8,000. Roger.
And it's going to prompt you for the turn since we loaded the turn. And from here, we're required to fly the turn.
Cessna 716 Tango Hotel, contact New York Center 134.8.
All right, which way? Straight ahead?
Cessna 716 Tango Hotel.
How low? 7 for now. What's next?
3917 Mike, you said your level off.
We'll be getting cleared for the approach eventually, and want to be crossing Sidus inbound at 5,400. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.
November 3917 Mike Johnson.